Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these chicken shawarma bowls. They are super delicious and packed with flavor. Let's make them. Start with 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. They should be cut up into strips like this. Now we're going to work on the marinade. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, which is the juice of half a lemon, and then 2 tablespoons of whole milk yogurt. Then we're going to add a generous amount of spices that I will have listed out on the screen and also down below in the description. Now you want to mix your chicken in with the spices thoroughly. Make sure it's nice and coated. It should be a beautiful color like this. Now you're going to set it aside and start working on the rice. We're going to use 1.5 cups of basmati rice. You're going to wash and rinse them. This is the brand of rice that I'm using. You can find it at almost any grocery store. Now you're going to let your rice soak for about 30 minutes or until you finish cooking your chicken. Cook your chicken on a medium to high heat. You want to make sure you lay it flat on the pan so that it can cook evenly. Let it cook for about 6 minutes and then give it a gentle toss and cook it for another 6 minutes. Most of the liquid should have evaporated. As you can see right here, most of the liquid has evaporated and the chicken should be golden and crispy at the bottom. As you can see, the piece that I'm about to show you, this is how the bottom of the chicken should look. Now we're going to cook our rice. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter into a pot and 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure you do not burn the butter like I did. Add in a half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a gentle mix and then add in your rice. Make sure you drain the rice first, of course, and then add in 1 tablespoon of bouillon powder and 1.5 cups of boiling water. Give everything a gentle mix and allow it to come to a boil. Once it does come to a boil, give it another gentle mix and cover it and turn the heat down to low. Let it cook for about 10 minutes and then turn the heat off, and you're going to use a fork to gently fluff up the rice as you see me doing right here. You need to do this carefully so you don't break the rice. Then you're going to cover it and set it aside while we work on the white sauce. In a bowl, add in a 1/3 cup of whole milk yogurt, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and an 1/8 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Give everything a good mix until it's well combined, and then you're going to start adding in cold water. You want to add the water in about a teaspoon at a time to make sure you reach your preferred consistency. If you want it thinner, you can add more water. If not, then you can add less water. It depends on what you like. This is the consistency that I was aiming for. Now you want to set it aside and start working on our shawarma bowls. Add a layer of yellow rice to the bottom of your bowl. I'm using these foil bowls to give it like takeout vibes. Now you're going to add a generous amount of chicken on one side. And then I'm also using cucumbers and cherry tomatoes. You can honestly use whatever veggies that you like. And now I'm going to add a drizzle of white sauce. I put the white sauce in a piping bag and now I'm drizzling it on top of my bowl. And there we have it, our final product. It is super delicious and I hope you guys try it out. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please let me know down below in the comments. Thank you, bye.